Thank you for purchasing this new NordicTrack treadmill. Follow these steps to assemble your new T-Series 5 treadmill. Step 1. Assembly tips. Assembly requires 2 people. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Assembly can be completed using the included tools. Keep the included tools. One or more of the tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Left parts are marked L or left, and right parts are marked R or right. Step 2. Remove shipping blocks. Remove the shipping screws from the shipping block on the right side of the treadmill. Discard the shipping screws and the shipping block. Do not reuse the shipping screws. Repeat this step on the left side of the treadmill. Step 3. Attach the wire pull to the upright wire. Remove any wire ties securing the upright wire to the right side of the treadmill. Next, identify the right upright and orient it as shown. Tie the wire tie in the right upright through the wire pull on the upright wire. Step 4. Pull the wire through the right upright and attach the ground screw. Feed the upright wire into the lower end of the right upright and pull the upper end of the wire tie until the upright wire is routed through the right upright as shown. Do not remove the wire tie yet. Next, press the grommet into the square hole in the right upright. To make insertion easier, insert the ear on the grommet into the square hole first. Then attach the ground wire to the right upright with a ground screw. Step 5. Attach the uprights. Do not pinch the upright wire during this step. Attach the right upright to the frame with 2 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch screws, a 5/16 inch by 2 1/4 inch screw, and 3 5/16 inch washers. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. Attach the left upright in the same way. Note, there is not a wire on the left side. Step 6. Attach the handrail assembly. Do not pinch the wires during this step. Have a second person hold the handrail assembly in the position shown. Connect the wire on the handrail assembly to the upright wire. Press the small latch on the connector on the upright wire. Then remove and discard the wire pull and the wire tie. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your treadmill to function properly. Then attach the handrail assembly to the right and left uprights with 4 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch screws and 4 5/16 inch large washers. Start all 4 screws and then firmly tighten them. Step 7. Tighten screws and place covers. Do not pinch the upright wire during this step. Firmly tighten the 2 5/16 inch by 3/4 inch screws and the 5/16 inch by 2 1/4 inch screw in the right upright. Then press the right upright cover onto the right upright. Repeat this step on the left side of the treadmill and attach the left upright cover. Step 8. Attach the tablet holder. Remove the 2 knobs from the handrail assembly. Then attach the tablet holder with the 2 knobs. Note, to use your smartphone or tablet, not included, with a tablet holder, lift the clip and place the clip on the top edge of your smartphone or tablet to secure it. Step 9. Inspection. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened before you use the treadmill. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat beneath the treadmill to protect the floor. To avoid damage to the console, keep the console out of direct sunlight. Keep the included tools in a secure place. One or more of the tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Thank you for purchasing this NordicTrack treadmill.